Hey everyone, today we're unboxing and reviewing the OT8, the latest budget 11-inch tablet from Oukitel. It retails for just over $179, packs a massive 8800 mAh battery, 8-core CPU, and an impressive 11-inch 2K display. The tablet just arrived, so let's see what we got. So the package is pretty standard. We got the tablet itself. It comes in this really nice protective cover that doubles as a stand. Here is the USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. We got the user guide and the warranty card. Here is the SIM card / SD card ejector pin. There's the 18-watt fast charging power brick, and we also got included a simple stylus pen. Now let's grab the tablet and talk about its design and features. The OT8 comes in 3 colors, and we got the purple variant. It weighs 515 grams, and the 7.8mm thin profile makes it easy to hold and carry. The tablet doesn't feel chunky or overly massive. Initial impressions are that it feels solid and well built, which is great considering its budget price. In terms of ports and I/O, we have a dedicated 3.5mm audio at the bottom. Here we also find the speakers and the USB-C port and the SIM card / SD card tray. On the left side we got the volume controls, and on the top the power button and another 2 speakers holes. Here's how our purple model looks. Now the pack is plastic, but as I said, it doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels solid and well built. Now moving on to the display specs. The OT8 features an 11-inch 16:10 ratio 2K display. The resolution is 1200 by 1920 and the pixel density is 205 ppi. The display is bright enough at 350 nits. The downside is this is still a 60Hz display, but that's to be expected at this price level. The display offers vibrant, crisp visuals, making it perfect for media content, playing games, and pretty much all other casual tasks. The OT8 has a total of 4 speakers. They sound pretty good. The loudness levels are good. I didn't notice any distortion even at max volume. Overall, the sound quality is pretty decent. The Oukitel OT8 runs on Android 13, which provides a clean and user-friendly experience. Navigating through the menus and pages feels smooth and responsive, and it looks like we're getting pretty much no pre-installed bloatware apps whatsoever. All the Google apps and services are pre-installed, which is great, and the stylus also works really well. Next guys, let's focus on the specs and performance in some gaming. The Oukitel OT8 features a Unisoc Tiger T606 8-core CPU, clocked at 1.6 GHz and a Mali G57 GPU. We got a total of 6 GB of fast LPDDR4X RAM, which can be extended to 30 GB using the internal storage to provide additional RAM. The Unisoc T606 is an entry-level solution, but it still provides plenty of features and a decent performance. Here I've tested some of the most popular mobile games, and they all performed reasonably well.
kill! Triple kill!
In terms of camera setup, the Oukitel OT8 performs decently. It features a 13-megapixel Samsung main camera and 8-megapixel selfie camera, which are suitable for capturing quick snapshots or video calls. The selfie camera can record 720p at 30 fps video, and the rear camera supports 1080p video at 30 fps. As for the battery life, the OT8 has a massive 880 mAh battery, which provides ample juice to keep you going through the day even with heavy usage. After the tablet arrived, I charged it to full 100%. I was testing it, watching videos, downloading games, and as you can see, the battery is still at over 60%. With the 18-watt charger, it takes around 2 hours to fully charge. The standby time is impressive, 1130 hours. We also get 6 hours of battery life while playing video and 5 hours while gaming. Overall, I have to say I'm quite pleased with the Oukitel OT8 11-inch tablet. It offers a combination of performance, display quality, battery life at a really affordable price point. Whether you're using it for work, entertainment, or staying connected on the go, the OT8 has you covered. And guys, thank you all for watching. Links can be found in the video description. Be sure to like, subscribe for more content.